Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening with a gap up on Wednesday and then pretty much just being uptrending, right? And Bank Nifty also hitting a new all-time high, but to Nifty is definitely, was definitely more stronger than Bank Nifty. And if we see Nifty hitting 19,000, right? And again, same thing, right? If we open with a gap up and then pretty much kind of took support from this all-time high area, which was previously a resistance, and then it became a support and we started moving up. And as I say, right, wait for the first 15-minute candle. Once the first 15-minute candle is made and the high is crossed, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. If you would have taken a bullish trade over here also, then also you would have gotten a very good trade over here easily till 19,000. If you would have just kept on trailing a stop loss also, right, in the till the end, your stop loss, I think your stop loss could have gotten hit over here, your trailing stop loss, but until then it was pretty much a clean rally on the upside, right? So definitely Nifty was very good. And Bank Nifty, if you see, taking support from yesterday's closing price and then starting to move up. So again, if you would have taken kind of a bullish trade over here with 100-point stop loss over here at 44,200, even then you could have made an easy money till 44,500, right? But definitely if you see Bank Nifty, it hasn't moved so much, but Nifty has definitely moved a lot. So over here Nifty is more strong and Bank Nifty is not so strong, and over here that's why we'll focus on Nifty more for tomorrow, at least tomorrow, and then we'll see how Bank Nifty closes and stuff for the week for tomorrow, and then we'll see what we can do on Monday or the first day of the next month, right? Anyways, Nifty, if you see over here, very simple. Above 19,010, once we get a 5-minute closing, 5-minute candle closing, we'll go ahead and buy. Our target will be 19,100 easily. Why I'm saying a 5-minute closing is because markets, if you see, pretty much have rallied a lot, right? From 18,680 to 18,000 kind of 650 levels, markets have done a one-sided rally. So over here, what could happen is that markets could go up a little bit, show everyone that okay, a breakout is happening, and then the sellers have a lot of liquidity because there are a lot of buyers who will be buying as soon as we start crossing these highs, right? So the sellers will have a lot of buyers, and then they could start, kind of dumping their positions, which could mean that there could be like a breakout over here, fake breakout, and then the market start moving down. So we'll wait for a 5-minute closing at least, and then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,100 on the upside. On the downside, if we start open, say if we open flat and start moving down, then we'll take no sort of a trade because over here this area there will be a lot of buyers on the downside. So 18,860 to 880 will be a very important area. Any sort of a gap down between 18,880 to like 18,980, all these levels, we'll just ignore the market for tomorrow, because over here markets could consolidate for a day and then start moving up, right? On the downside, if we open with straight up below 18,860, then things will be then there will be a very good panic scenario in the market, because a lot of buyers will get trapped in this market. Anyone who would have gone ahead and made bullish positions over here, they will start getting trapped, and because of which we will go ahead and start selling from here very easily. We'll wait for the first 5-minute candles closing. Once we get a first 5-minute candle closing below 18,860, and once the low of that candle is crossed, we'll start go ahead and taking bearish trade over here. Our first target will be 18,800 on the downside, and our second target will be 18,720 to 740 on the downside, right? But again, if you are not confident taking a trade over here, you can also wait for some sort of a price action. But in my opinion, if we open with such a big gap down, right, definitely there will be a lot of panic created in the market, and there will also be a breakout failure. If you see markets, again, I'm gonna show you guys about the breakout failure. If you see, right, this was the support that this was the resistance that the market was taking, and markets kind of formed a double bottom pattern and started moving up, right? So if we straight up open below this, then there will be a breakout failure, and whenever there is a breakout failure, there is a lot of selling that comes. So again, you can wait for the first 5-minute closing, you can also wait for the price action, but I think there will be a very good selling if you open with anywhere near 18,860 or below it on or tomorrow, right? Talking about Bank Nifty if you see is definitely a little more weaker than Nifty. So on the downside, again, if we open with a small gap down or anywhere near 44,200 also, so 44,000 is a support right now, right? So Bank Nifty, if we open with a gap down, what could happen is that Bank Nifty could kind of, stay in this 500 point range for some time, move in this range, maybe even take support from 44,100, which was previously kind of a resistance, and then start moving up, right? So if you open with a gap down, what you can do is kind of make triangles both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But other than that, there is no directional trade that you can take until unless we open with a very big gap down, right? Now, Bank Nifty also, if you open straight up below 44,000 tomorrow, right, then there will be a panic scenario again. And again, same thing. We'll wait for the first 5-minute candles closing. Once the first 5-minute candle is closed and the low of that candle is broken, then we'll go ahead and take a bearish trade over here. Our first target will be 43,700 and our second target will be 43,500. But I think if you could hold your positions, we could get even targets of 43,000 on the downside if this breakout fails. If this breakout fails, right? On the upside, very simple. If we open flat and start crossing 44,500, we'll wait for a 5-minute closing above 44,510, and then only we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Our target will be of kind of 200 points only, because at this point we could see a little bit of pullback in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty not looking very strong over here. So we'll only keep 200 points of target over here in Bank Nifty till 44,700, right? If we open with a gap up, say somewhere near 44,600, right? So with a big gap up, say somewhere near 44,600, we'll wait for the markets to come down a little bit till 44,500. If we start seeing bullish price action being made, maybe higher highs being made in 5-minute chart near this area of 44,500, the area that I marked, then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade. If we do not see bullish price action being made and market is just sustaining at this area, then we will not take any sort of a trade, because then maybe we could see a little bit of more profit booking till lower levels, and then maybe we could start moving up. Same thing with Nifty also. If we open at 19,050 and all these levels, we'll wait on markets to come down near 19,020 to 19,010 to 19,000 levels. Once we start seeing bullish price action being made in 5-minute chart, then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade. Or again, same thing as you could have done over here also. You can wait for the high to be again crossed over here, and once that high is crossed, you can then take a trade, anything that suits you, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Nifty definitely seems more stronger than Bank Nifty, and Nifty I think has a little bit more upside than Bank Nifty over here, and Nifty could give you a better momentum than Bank Nifty, at least for tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow and how things close, and then we'll see what we can do in the weekly analysis video. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.